His Excellency Paul Haushan, the Bishop of Ubanged in Abra, Bishop Leo Dalmao of the Prelature of Isabela di Basilan, dear brother priests, delegates and guests, the Confradia Santiago of the Bitan, the men and women in red, civic leaders, brothers and sisters, welcome to the Bitan and welcome to the Third National Congress of St. James the Greater parishes and devotees.
Brothers and sisters, may our National Convention renew our faith to have the joy of continuing proclaiming the love of Jesus through our devotion to St. James. May St. James bring us closer to Jesus. And second, may be passionate like St. James who offered his life as a martyr. Like Paul Miki, the 3 Jesuit priests were martyred, and the 6 Franciscan friars, one of them Pedro Bautista, he came to the Philippines and was a missionary in the different parts of the Philippines. And they went to Japan to proclaim the good news. At the beginning, they were of help to the people of Japan, but the emperor got scared when their number increased. That's why the emperor persecuted the Christians. They were nailed to the cross, pierced by a lance, and yet all proclaiming Jesus on their lips. May our devotion of Saint James give us the courage, the passion, that may our devotion is a witness to our faith, and may it bear fruit with much grace of transforming love.
You have come for pietatis causa, for religious sense. So it is only on this context that we will experience extraordinary, despite the ordinary events that you will participate. You come as pilgrims.
Maghimaya ka, o patron namong hinalaran. Maghimaya ka, o apostol namong bantugan. Mabuhi ka, o maligon namong dalangpan. Mabuhi, mabuhi ka, hangtod sa kahangturan.
Life is a camino, a journey, but we are not alone on our journey. St. James walks with us. That to be happy, to have peace, harmony in our journey, we need to dialogue with all the people we are in partner with, journeying in this life.
can reflect other things about St. James. But I think just the life alone of St. James, looking at him with his white horse, he's mounted on his white horse with that white flag. Now, this time, I don't see him as Santiago Matamoros. I see him as the saint who proclaimed the word with passion, with zeal. And I think as devotees, it is our first goal also to proclaim God in the manner of St. James.
Nausap kita aron sa pagsadya sa pista sa atong patron, Senyor Santiago nga mapinanggaon. Alin nga mga dapitanon ato siyang handumon, ginabayo sa ulugon, Senyor Santiago ato siyang sampiton. Viva Senyor Santiago! Viva Senyor Santiago, sayaw taong mga muyo. Viva Senyor Santiago, isa ng mga parpagayo. Halad ko kinikanimo. Viva Senyor Santiago, Viva Senyor Santiago, Viva Senyor Santiago, Viva Senyor, Viva Senyor, Viva Senyor Santiago. Naong alirungan, singgit way katapusan, pinabayo sa dapitan, Senyor Santiago tong pasalamatan. Viva Senyor Santiago! Viva Senyor Santiago, sayaw taong mga muyo. Viva Senyor Santiago, isa ng mga parpagayo. Halad ko kinikanimo. Viva Senyor Santiago, Viva Senyor Santiago, Viva Senyor Santiago, Viva Senyor, Viva Senyor, Viva Senyor Santiago. Alin na mga dapitanon ato siyang handumon, ginabayo sa ulugon, Senyor Santiago ato siyang sampiton. Viva Senyor Santiago! Viva Senyor Santiago, sayaw taong mga muyo. Viva Senyor Santiago, isa ng mga parpagayo. Viva Senyor Santiago, sayaw taong mga muyo. Viva Senyor Santiago, isa ng mga parpagayo. Halad ko kinikanimo. Viva Senyor Santiago, Viva Senyor Santiago, Viva Senyor Santiago, Viva Senyor, Viva Senyor, Viva Senyor Santiago. Viva Senyor Santiago!